What's going on, guys? This is JC with Cowboys Customs. Today we got one of our biggest ticket builds ever for the youngest cat ever to drive one of these trucks.
Somebody gotta do it. D's, that's a bet. 1,500 all hundreds folded, that's a bet. Hey, they can't stop it, just cop it, sold it, that's a bet. Hey, secure the bag, remove the tag, know that that's a bet. Hey, your chick watching, poppin', hold it, that's a bet. Hey, 1,500 all hundreds folded, that's a bet.
This is Levi's 2020 Ram Limited 2500. It's on a 15-inch Kelderman lift kit, 30 by 16-inch JTX forged wheels. Hit them guys up, they make the best wheels on the market right now. 42-inch Fury mud terrain tires. Today we're just gonna show you around the truck a little bit and then we'll get it out of here. So these are one of the biggest wheels on the market right now. This is the biggest tire that they make for 30 by 16s. You know, there ain't much bigger. There isn't gonna, your best friends, homeboys, grandmas, brothers, not gonna have a bigger set than these. Considering Fury's the only one that makes these tires, we had to wait, dude, 8 months for a set of tires. Imagine when Levi's gonna burn the rears off. What is he gonna do?
How much did it cost for the whole set, dude?
You're looking about $2,000 a tire. A tire. Levi wanted to do a white with a purple undertone, so we had the back of the wheels, the barrels, the letters, tons of bits and pieces. You know, this is a 25,000 piece or 2,500 piece lift kit. We had to send it all out to get powder coated purple. The front differentials are white, some of the brackets are white. You know, we had to go all day about, you know, what piece is what.
What do you think?
About this truck?
Yes, sir.
I'd drive it, you?
I don't know, man.
You don't know?
I don't think I can get up in
30 by 16s on a Kelderman kit with 42s. I'd mess with it.
How much were the wheels, David?
Like 20 grand.
$20,000.
$20,000. So if you got $20,000, I can get you this.
With this.
And if you got another, what, 25 to 30, I can get you this. Seems decent, right? Mr. Steal Yo Bitch is in this truck. JC, how you want to end this build?
Man, goodbye and good riddance to this truck. We're tired of looking at it. Like and subscribe if you like the truck. You know, even if you don't like the truck, like and subscribe. Let us know if you want to build one. Thanks for watching and we'll catch you in the next one.